Hello friends, today I will show you how you will get the success through 10 success mantra. So please watch this video till the end. You will get the best benefit. The first point is control your life. What is the meaning of control your life? Most of the people think he got the success because of others. He is in problem now because of others. Don't think like this. Because you are the responsible of all your actions, all your sadness, all your happiness. So don't give the key of happiness, sadness to others, to someone else. You are the creator of your own destiny. You are the captain of your soul. So friends, always control your life. Don't give the key of your life to someone else. So the second point is no excuses. You can see everywhere. People always ready to give the excuses. People used to blame others. Why it happened? There are two kind of people everywhere you can see. One people always ready to accept the mistakes. They are smart people. Because they learn from the mistakes. And the smart people don't do the same mistakes more than once. And the other person, they always ready to give the excuses. They always blame others because he has no any aim. He don't want to do hard work. And he always ready to give the excuses and blame others. So guys, please don't give the excuses. Don't blame others. And the third point is think big. If your goal will be high, the probability will be the success of higher. So, as you know, our former president and scientist, the missile man, late Abdul Kalam sir, told in the Wings of Fire book, all dreams should be always high. If your dream will be high, if your goal will be high, you will get the bigger achievement. You will become the bigger achiever. So think big. Your goal should be high. And the fourth point is keep yourself inspired. How it will be possible? Let me tell you. Everyone has the desire. Everyone has the goal. And what the requirement or to achieve the success? You will have to motivate yourself. You will have to inspire by yourself. And how it will be possible? You can do one thing. You can create one folder in computer or mobile and give the name motivation or station and save everything through which you can motivate, like videos, movies, articles, images, everything. And you can save this folder in Google Drive through which you can get from anywhere. You can watch from anywhere at any time. So if you want to get the success, you will have to be motivated by yourself. You will have to be inspired by yourself. So guys, keep always inspired. Keep always motivated. And the next point is keep yourself inspired. The point is the keep yourself inspired. The next point is believe in yourself. I have earlier told you in the previous video, that is the motivational video, everything comes through the belief system. If you believe in yourself, you can achieve any kind of success. So believe in yourself. If you believe you can achieve the bigger goal, you will definitely achieve the goal. If you don't believe in yourself, you will not able to achieve anything. So friends, please believe in yourself. The next point is now or never. Most of the people always told, I'm waiting for the best time. I'm waiting for the right time. Why you are waiting? Tomorrow will never come. Right time will never come. The right time is now. Act now. Do it now. Why you are waiting? If you will wait for the right time, you will get nothing. Always remember, time is money. Don't waste the time. If you will waste the time, time will destroy you. So give the respect to time. Always remember, time is money. If you will think like this, you will always utilize your time. Utilize your time in your own goal. Whatever the goal you have, just utilize your time. Next point is, knowledge is power. Do you think ever, what is the one thing that will always with you? That is the knowledge. You want to achieve everything. You can achieve anything. But the one thing will be always with you, that is knowledge. And how you will get the knowledge? You will have to make the habit. You will have to be habitual. Read 30 minutes every day. At least 30 minutes. You will get the lots of knowledge. There should be hungerness. If you will have the curiosity, you will get the knowledge more. So please guys, read 30 minutes every day. You will get the lots of knowledge. The next point is, share the knowledge. If you have the knowledge, please share it. If you will share the knowledge, it will automatically increase day by day. If you have the knowledge, you can help lots of people. You can inspire lots of people. You can motivate lots of people. So please share the knowledge if you have. If you will share the knowledge, your knowledge will automatically increase and you will attain all kind of success. You will feel satisfied. Yes, I have the knowledge and I want to share with everyone. The person who always ready to share the knowledge, they will more satisfied. They will feel more satisfied. And the next point is, stay committed. If you have the goal, if you have the dream, stay always committed. Always stay committed. If you will stay committed, definitely you will achieve the goal. So focus on your goal only. And one more thing I want to say, if you have the skills, if you have the knowledge, you can find out the opportunity. As I got the experience through my journey, experience is everywhere. Opportunity is everywhere. You can find out the opportunity. You keep the eye on opportunity. Today, digital platform is the best suitable platform. Everyone is the using. So use the digital platform to find the opportunity. You will definitely get the best benefit and you will get the success. The next point is, break your comfort zone. Most of the people don't want to break the comfort zone. Why it happen? Because it comes through the human nature. Nobody wants to break the comfort zone. Everyone wants to work in break comfort zone. Friends, break the comfort zone. Accept the challenges. Face the problem. Face the difficult situations. You will see the best version of yourself. You will improve by yourself day by day. And you will get whatever you want. So please guys, apply all things in your life. You will definitely see the best result. You will definitely achieve the success. Please like my video, watch my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell button. You will get the notification of new video. And please give me the motivation through the comment. I will always waiting. Thank you so much for watching my video.